Hello guys, I got this electric folding scooter. It's Journey Hover-1, and I got this because I'm just like, you know what? I need something that I'm just gonna ride around, and for a decent price. And to me, I just love like electric skateboard, and I want to go ahead and I did have a scooter. If you guys see in my video, I had the Hover scooter also, but this one right here is totally different. This one right here is actually a foldable version. So this one got a 8.5 tires on it, and this one can go about 14 miles an hour. We're gonna go to see exactly how fast it is, and it can go 16 miles of range, and it weighs about 31 pounds, so it's not too bad for the size. But anyway, yeah, so I got this for 320 at Best Buy, or you can go anywhere else. You probably get it for cheaper. But anyway, it comes with this charger here that you guys can see, and it can also come with this accessories like a pump, stuff for the tires, and I guess for like bolts. It already has that everything for you. And this one right here is the air pump, because you have the 8.5 tires, so you need to able to pump it. But I think you can also mod the tire on this one. Um, anyway, so yeah, so definitely go ahead and check it out. But it has a little weight to it, but for 31 pounds, not bad. I mean, it's for the size. It just looks awesome. It looks cool. I like this gray flat color and black. It just looks like premium. Um, for the price that you're getting it for, I think you can get it for cheaper now. But I think before it should be like around $400. But this one you can actually purchase it around 300, maybe less. So it comes with this instruction that you guys can see. I mean, you almost got almost everything that you need, less than 400. Oh, I would say 350. And it comes with its digital already. And you guys can see. I think it has first mode or second mode. It can actually go slow modes. I mean, for what you get, this is all you get, man. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this guy out, and you can see it has a headlight, it has a tail light. You just gotta press it a couple of times, and you're all set to go. And yeah, go ahead and check it out. And I'm gonna go ahead and see if this guy can handle the stuff that I I put it through. So you guys see my video. I'm gonna put this guy to the test, and you can see the tail light, front headlight, the digital gauge to it. I mean, this thing is modernized. So I'm very surprised for the price, man. I'm gonna go ahead and see what all can do. And again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy to the test, extreme test. And I'm gonna go ahead and see. But anyway, again,